Mint Tea.
That's it. We'll wait for the water to
Okay. Got the fresh mint out the fridge. Shake dry.
Yeah. So we keep it.
It's cool.
Leave it like this when you mix it. Just leave it like this, like 1 minute for 1 minute. Because the first one is like tea in it. We put it here and we keep it. We don't drop it. Then after we clean the tea, then we add the first one in here. We add the water. We put it in the gas. Then we wait. And after we put the mint, then sugar if you like sugar. If you want it separately, you can do it separately.
We like the sugar.
Yeah, that's sugar. You can see the color, how it looks like.
Yeah.
Maybe you can smell it to see the difference. This
Oh, yeah.
caffeine, tea in it. Yeah, and after we put a little water, like cup like this. So we mix it.
It's like techniques.
I feel like I'm into my noodle Latin pot.
You go home with a Latin pie.
When I get home.
Authentic.
Then we drop this one. You can see how it looks like. Very different color.
Oh yeah,
than the
different
first one.
color.
Yeah, you can see, and you can smell it. How it's different.
Oh yeah, it's
smell of
different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't smell the same. So it can only be used one time?
Yeah.
Okay. So then you have to change the
No, we should. Just we clean it because in this pot there is like a filter, in the water, and the tea stay here.
Oh,
That's the
Okay.
tea become like this.
God.
After clean it and
Yeah.
then after we put this one, we put this one here, mix it. Then we put
This
the
is
water as
serious.
like it's
This is
for
like
1 cup or 2 cups or
the Starbucks of tea here.
yeah. That's
So
it.
we have to pour the tea back into it and add more water.
Then
Then it goes on the thing.
We're gonna have to buy a teapot.
Oh my gosh, where are we fitting that?
I'm buying a teapot.
Where are you putting
like,
it?
In my
Book bag?
backpack,
We boil like pot
Uh-huh.
like this. Then after we add sugar, it's so like then mint. Then we mix it. Then after we can have it. Can on tray. It's come like it was like see the way it's coming like this.
Then you turn it off.
Yeah, not off. Just
Lower.
oh yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay. If you want it very strong, you put a lot of tea, mint, tea soy. Then you put it like this for more than five.
This is major tea making here. Like he said, he moves it back and forth 10 times. It's major.
Okay. Do you want it with sugar or without sugar?
With sugar.
With sugar.
Fire.
Yeah, we make it. For me, we make it quick because I know the techniques. You know? For you, maybe you have to leave it in the like this. For me, I do like this, stronger, then off. Then like.
And the longer you brew it, the stronger?
Yes, yeah.
Mmm.
Okay.
About to be lit.
And we don't put the tea at the beginning because if the smell will gone, you know. We give you like a bad smell, you know. Sugar. For the sugar, we don't mix it here in Morocco. We don't mix it with the spoon. Because if you mix it with the spoon, it's not good, you know. How much? 4, 8.
Okay.
Sweet? You want it sweet?
Yes.
That's it?
No,
Yeah,
good.
that's good.
Yeah, okay.
Look at the sugar cubes. Oh, that's very sweet.
Then, so the technique. This. We mix the sugar like this. We don't use it. If you want, like, if you want to use a spoon.
No spoon.
Just 1 second.
So this is how they mix it.
No spoons.
No spoons.
This is mixing the
This is real mixing.
Yeah, if you want to make it easy, just use the spoon.
But no, it won't taste the same.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're gonna have metal in there, it's gonna ruin everything.
It's a shame when somebody uses the spoon to mix.
Oh my god, and we've been mixing our tea with the spoon the whole time.
Yeah. Because here in Morocco, when it's like a party, like a wedding or something like that, they didn't like tea in the kitchen. They bring like a table like this with the glasses and tea and tea like it is in the pot like this, tea, sugar and mint and things. There's a man who wearing like Moroccan dress and stay in the corner and making tea. Then after they serve it with Moroccan pastry, that's it. And after they started having dinner.
Oh,
It's like a traditional way. You know?
That's cool.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't get the whole thing, but basically the tea is done at the table. They bring everything, the pots, and all the mint leaves or whatever herb you're gonna use to make the tea.
It's like a party.
Yeah.
A mint tea
And then
party.
they have, and it's prepared at the table, and it's a Moroccan tradition.
That's it. Then
I missed half the video, so I mean half of what you said on my video, so I had to say it again. Oh, and then
Okay.
No spoon.
No
No
spoons.
spoon.
We don't do spoons.
no spoons.
Spoons are crime.
Yeah. Like this. You let it like this. Then after if you taste it, there will be a lot of glasses. Use one glass like this, just to mix it. And after you use other spoon to taste it, and you don't have to put
The spoon
tea, no, the spoon, the other glass to taste it. Then you don't have to put the tea in the one when you used to taste the tea. To make back to the pot because it's shame, you know. If I drink tea and you put again, it's not good. Yeah. That's it.
So he basically said that when tea is made, the men make it, because when women make it, it's not strong enough, so they don't do that here. But we got the final taste right here. Smells amazing. We didn't put sugar in it because he put enough in there. It's hot. That will burn my lips. Oh, that's so good. I don't think I can replicate this at home. I'm sorry. Maybe close, but not. Now I'm gonna have to go out and buy mint leaves to boot. So basically, since women don't make tea in Morocco, and if they do, then it's not that good, then that means if we try to make the tea, it's probably not going to be that good. It probably won't.